I know how it feels to be creating content, getting different camera angles. You setting up the tripod here. You try to get the lighting. You try to get the sound right. Spend all this time editing. And then when you push upload and you don't get the results you want, them low views, man, that's the worst feeling in the world. You like, yo, I just did all this work and ain't nobody looking at my video. You are literally one video away from changing your life and your YouTube channel. Let's talk about it. What's up, y'all? I go by the name of LA Mars. I'm an independent artist / content creator, and I'm here to talk about how literally one video could change your life and your YouTube channel. We finally reached 1,000 subscribers, y'all. Yes, it's been a long journey, but we finally made it. I'm still not monetized yet. I gotta finish getting these 4,000 watch hours. If you don't know, in order to get monetized with YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and you need 4,000 watch time hours. For me, the subscribers is way easier than getting the watch time hours. Even though you might get a lot of new subscribers, that doesn't necessarily mean that they're going to actually see your channel whenever you post, because all subscribers don't get the notifications. I've been consistent since January, I will say. It just feels so good to know that all this hard work that I've been putting in is finally paying off. My channel is mostly about music, YouTube, and motivating people that dreams should never have an age limit and you should chase your dreams no matter what your age is. If you're not into those three things, then most likely this channel is not for you. My content is not gonna be for everybody. So what I'm trying to say is you can't force other people to rock with you. But don't get discouraged. Hopefully you'll find your target audience as long as you keep creating. Another important thing I want to mention to you guys is you need to actually study your analytics. Go to your YouTube studio and literally study the information. Everything you need to know about your channel is there. Your demographics, your target audience, and then you have to continue to do what's working. So for me, even though I'm a music channel, I've been getting a lot of traction off these videos where I'm just literally just speaking to the camera. So why wouldn't I continue to make these type of videos? I'm gonna continue to do what works so my channel can continue to grow. The problem is I see a lot of small channels, they'll have one video take off a little bit or get a couple thousand views, and then they try to do something totally opposite. Study the analytics, see what's working, and continue to do what's working. It's pretty simple, honestly. Like, that's all you really gotta do if you wanna see your channel grow. Why give your subscribers something they never signed up for? If they came to my channel to see music, vlogs, why would I make a food tutorial video? It just doesn't make no sense. That's not my target audience. So the algorithm most likely is not going to push that content. So you want to stick to whatever your niche is. You can switch it up a little bit, but you still kind of want it to be correlated. You don't want to go off too crazy. That's just my personal opinion. That's what I noticed from studying a lot of major channels. You don't want to be posting a vlog this day, food tutorial this day. On the next day, you're talking about gaming. And then the next day, you're talking about Pokemon. Like, it don't make no sense. You feel me? You want to stick to a niche, continue to make content consistently, man, and you're going to grow. I feel like my channel started gaining subscribers when I started posting a lot of shorts. I wasn't getting no crazy amount of views or nothing like that, but every time I would post shorts, I would gain like 4 or 5 new subscribers that day off the shorts. Some days you might want to post 2 shorts. Just be consistent. You got to keep throwing stuff at the wall until you figure out what sticks. I know how it feels to be creating content, getting different camera angles. You setting up the tripod here. You try to get the lighting. You try to get the sound right. Spend all this time editing. And then when you push upload and you don't get the results you want, them low views, man, that's the worst feeling in the world. You like, yo, I just did all this work and ain't nobody looking at my video. Trust me, I know the feeling. Like, I got a lot of videos I felt like I put in work and I didn't get the results I wanted. But at the end of the day, I already know I'm not looking for instant gratification. I'm looking for delayed gratification. I know YouTube is a long-term game. This is not a short-term game. I know it ain't gonna happen overnight. It just takes one video, but the thing is, you have to be consistent. If you're improving on each video, one of them videos is gonna hit. You just never know which one it's gonna be. Or it could be a situation where you posted a video 3 months ago, and then out of nowhere, that video take off. I be seeing that happening a lot on YouTube, so you just never know. As long as you stay at it, you giving the algorithm a chance to push your content. So even if your first 10, 50, your first 100 videos don't take off, the 103rd video might be the one. So you just never know. But the thing is, you just gotta stay consistent. I know I keep saying this, but it's so important and it's real. Consistency, consistency, consistency. And just keep uploading, get better, and just know that if your content is improving and you staying in your lane, more than likely, one of them videos is going to take off. Even if one video does take off, you just want to be prepared. You know, have an ebook, have digital products, have merch, stay ready so you don't have to get ready. So if one video does pop off, have everything on deck. So once you get all them subscribers and them views and all eyes on you, you can already have everything on deck. Like I said, I'm still not monetized, but I'm still able to make money off this YouTube channel without being monetized. If you still here, then that lets me know you're a real one. If you want to know how I was able to make money from YouTube with less than 1,000 subscribers and not being monetized, man, click this link below. I'm gonna give y'all all the game all small channels need to know with less than 1,000 subscribers. It's your boy LA Mars. Thank y'all for tuning in. Remember, dreams don't have deadlines, and I'm gone. Let's get it.